The S25 Ultra is here and you can pre-order it now. I've got an affiliate link in the description. It'll take you there so you can get the best trade-in deals, all the exclusive stuff through Samsung, and of course, I've got a $50 exclusive credit towards ecosystem stuff if you didn't reserve your pre-order. Link in the description. So, let's talk about it. More trade-in value than we've had in a really, really long time. How much? Well, for the S24 Ultra, a maximum trade-in credit of $900. This is $150 more than last year with the S24 Ultra, which people were not particularly happy about because last year you got $750, now you get $900. So that's a really good deal. That's like maximum. You trade in your S24 Ultra, probably the Fold 6, something like that. Top end tier stuff, but that makes it where you can get the S25 Ultra for $400 out the door plus tax if that applies to you. Well, what are the freebies? So the freebies are different this year. Normally, we get free storage upgrade, free RAM upgrade, but they didn't do that this year. They're giving you $300 of credit to work with. And this actually works out pretty nice because if you did the reserve your pre-order credit, then you get $50 towards accessories and all that stuff, ecosystem stuff. But now you get the $350 pre-order credit. So it's like $350 worth of freebies. So in the past, it's been like if you bought the 256 12 gigabyte model, you could get the 512 16 gig for free. But unfortunately, there's no 16 gig RAM model this year. They're all 12. So instead of just giving you a free storage upgrade, they're giving you the option to choose. So you get, if you get the S24 Ultra, you get that $900 maximum trade-in credit plus $300 you can put it towards add-ons. So if you get something else while you're in there, like a Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can apply it towards that. If you decide to go ahead and get cases, chargers, you want 4 different cases, you can go ahead and use it towards that. You can also use it towards a storage upgrade. So the baseline model for the S25 Ultra is 256 gigabytes of storage. If you use the extra credit, you can get the 512 and then still have some left over. You can apply it towards something else. You can even use it for Samsung Care. So if you want the Samsung Care, then effectively you can get it like for free because you get $300 of credit towards that, plus you still get the 50. So you can kind of mix and match a little bit. Like you can get the free storage upgrade effectively because you can use your credit towards that, then apply some of it towards Samsung Galaxy Care or apply it towards something else. Or if you don't care about Galaxy Care, if 256 is enough for you and you want to go YOLO, then you can put it towards a Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, maybe even a tablet. There's a lot of different options in there that you can go for. So that's really cool. If you're interested in the S25 Plus or the S25, those have deals as well. And like I said, I've got an affiliate link in the description that takes you straight to the Samsung website. You can do it. It helps support the channel, no extra costs. And it gets you a good deal too, because if you didn't do the reserve or pre-order, then you get an exclusive $50 credit. While it lasts, you can use that on top of the other stuff. So S25 Plus, max trading credit $700, which is pretty good considering the S24 Ultra or the S24 Plus is $999. If you get $700 towards a new one, then you're going to pay $300 out of pocket. $700. The S25 Plus is $999, so you get that going for you. You can use it for extra storage, add-ons, Samsung Care, all that stuff. And then if you go ahead and you get, I believe it's 100. Let me check. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, you get $100 instant credit, so 700 instant trade-in credit, and then $100 towards the freebies. And then you get with the S25, they're giving up to $500, which is a $799 phone, so you can get that for $299 plus tax, and then you get $50 of credit to put towards the other stuff. Again, that storage upgrade, that is add-ons, or that Samsung Care. So that's a pretty nice deal. And I think the trade-in deals are pretty fair. Of course, it's the best trade-in deals that you're going to find because you can get this unlocked. Of course, you can get your carrier models. You can get a Verizon model. You can get an AT&T model. You can get a T-Mobile model. I believe US Cellular is the other option they usually have, or unlocked. And yes, there are going to be deals with the carriers. But if you go through the carrier, well, you're going to have to be locked into a 36-month financing agreement likely to get that stuff. So this is straight up. You can buy it from Samsung. And I think Samsung is the best. They say they're the best. I think they're the best because they give you the best trade-in. They've got the exclusive colors. So you have exclusive colors for all 3 different phones. Then you can apply that credit, the 300, the 100, or the 50, on top of the trade-in credits you get, which $900 is pretty stinking insane. Everybody was like, we need more trading credit. We need more trading credit. Well, you get more trading credit. And that's something that I think they're trying to do to increase sales because there are some things that people are not going to be as happy about with this phone. Like there's only 12 gigs of RAM across the board, which is nice. The S25 has 12 gigs as well. They bumped it up from 8, so you get 12 gigs of RAM any model, regardless whether you get the S25, the Plus, or the Ultra. And then you get the exclusive colors. You get Samsung Galaxy Care. You get the best trade-in program out there, which is nice because when you order it, they send you the phone. If you've got a trade-in, you get 2 weeks, and then you can go ahead and if you decide you want to keep it, you keep it. You send your old phone in, use the box they sent you, use the packaging they sent you, and then use the free FedEx label to send that in as well. And it's a pretty straightforward, seamless process. I've been trading stuff into Samsung for years, and I've never had a single issue with it. So they do a good job, I think, with the trade-in stuff. So all that stuff, and then yeah, if you want to use that credit for whatever, it's a nicety. Before it was like, okay, you get the free storage and RAM, but if you don't care about the storage, you can get something else. You can put it towards like I love my Galaxy Watch Ultra. Usually what happens with them is we'll find out once we go to the web page. If you combine, like let's say you bundle something, like last year, if you got the Z Fold 6 and you got the watch, they gave you like 30% off the watch or the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So if you get a discount, if they bundle it again, you can use that trading, well, you can use your trading credit towards the phone, and then you can use the bonus credit you get towards something like that. So if it's more meaningful for you to have free Samsung Care, or if it's more meaningful for you to have a new watch or a new watch and earbuds and save a tremendous amount of money, then that's good. So the things that people are not going to care too much about the S25 Ultra, the S Pen no longer has Bluetooth. And I'll address this further in another video of mine where I talk about some of this stuff, but no Bluetooth. They didn't end up getting MagSafe, which was another rumor that they had. Thankfully, the price didn't increase. That was a rumor floating around. Price didn't increase, but you are losing out on with the no S Pen Bluetooth. You don't get any more the ability to use it as a shutter to take photos or start videos with, and you don't get the air gestures. If you didn't care about that stuff, then it really doesn't impact you whatsoever. If you are a person that did, that might impact your decision whether you want to get a new phone or not. But other than that, the S25 Ultra, all the S25 series, 12 gigs of RAM, they have the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. And this thing has got it like a custom tuned. They worked with Snapdragon to make the best possible chip experience, especially when it comes down to the image signal processor, better photos, better low light, better performance, and you get like the 40% improvement in like battery savings, performance, efficiency, AI, all sorts of things like that. So it should still be a really good phone. And if you're in the S20, S21, S22 department, it's a no-brainer for the upgrade. S3, S23, S24, that's going to be something you'll be like a decision. Like, okay, well, do I want to give up the S Pen features that I have, or do I want to go ahead and get the new one? And of course, maybe you need to wait and see what the reviews look like on that. And I'll have my review very soon. But for your right now, you get the trade-in deals. And right now with the pre-order stuff, again, Samsung's got the best in this department, and they've got some pretty nice stuff going on as well. Hopefully you did the reserve your pre-order credit. If you did, you got $50 towards the ecosystem. If you didn't, if you missed out on that, or if you pre-order during this pre-order period, now that the reserve your pre-order credit is gone, you get that free $50 using the exclusive link that I have in the description. Of course, other people with HAL will have it as well. That's the affiliate company. But yeah, $50 exclusive credit in the link ecosystem, and then best trade-in value, you're going to get $900. That's the best we've seen in a really, really, really long time. Since the last time I saw anything that good, I think we got like 1,000 or 950 before years ago when the phone was $13.99. Ever since it's dropped to $12.99 the last couple of years, everybody's been disappointed with the pre-order credit. So now getting 900, I think that should make a lot of people happy, and maybe that'll be what it takes if you're interested in going ahead and pre-ordering the phone. So that's all I got. Oh, also I want to address something. So the pre-orders, it's basically no commitment, right? If you want to buy one and if you don't like it, then you can return it and not pay a restocking fee. That's something great with Samsung. I don't encourage this, but it's a safety valve where if you get the new phone, you don't like it, you're not happy with it, then you can return it, no questions asked. Somebody had said something in the comments about they charge a 5% restocking fee. That's only on certain phones. So that's for the Fold, that's for the Flip, that's for the Ring, that's for the tablets. It shouldn't be for the regular phone, so that should still be the whole, basically risk-free if you want to go ahead and get it and no restocking fee, which is a big deal because you go to Best Buy, T-Mobile, Verizon, all these places, they charge you a pretty hefty restocking fee if you decide that you want to return it. So that's all for this video. Hopefully this gave the information that you wanted. I'll have more videos coming out today, more videos over the next week because I'm getting the S24 Ultra today. So I will have it and I'll be able to make plenty of videos about it. Hopefully you enjoyed the footage I put in here. Hopefully you found this helpful. And again, if you're interested in getting it and you want to help support the channel, I've got an affiliate link in the description, also pinned in the comments. You can use that as like a 1-hour cookie window thing. So if you decide that you want to do that, use the link. Make sure you get it while you're on the web page within the first hour. That way it doesn't drop out and go somewhere else, right? So that's all I got. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.